Hey students, welcome to TS Toppers. Recently notification has been announced that from February onwards the schools and colleges are going to start reopen from standard 9th to intermediate degree PG. So today I am here with a new series of lectures for intermediate first year commerce lectures, Telangana State. Welcome to TS Toppers. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the paper pattern. So the intermediate first year Telangana State Commerce paper pattern, it will be for 100 marks and it will consist of two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 50 will consist of 50 marks, part 1, and part 2 will consist of 50 marks. In the part A, it is completely theoretical. That is the commerce theory, and it consists of three sections: section A, section B, and section C. In section A, out of 3 questions you have to answer any 2 essay answers. This is for 20 marks. Each question carries 10 marks. Then section B. In section B you have to answer 4 questions and each answer carries 5 marks. Then section C. This is for very short answer. Each answer carries 2 marks. You have to answer any 5 of the given questions. That is equal to 10 marks. So here totally the paper is for 50 marks. Now next, coming to accountancy part. The part 2 of commerce subject is accountancy. In this section, only in this part, the section D, only one question will be given, one problem will be given, that is final accounts, which is for 20 marks, which will carry 20 marks. And then next to section E. Section E will be given any 2, we have to answer any 1 out of 2 questions, that is 1 into 10, that is 10 marks. In section F, there will be 2 questions out of that, and also some theory questions. Out of that you have to write any 2 5s are 10. Then next is section G. These are short answers and short problems also. There will be 3 problems and remaining question and answers, so you have to answer any 5 out of them. Each carries 10 marks. So this is the paper pattern. This will be for 50 marks. So total your exam paper will consist of 100 marks. Let us have a look on the syllabus. As I said you, part 1 is the commerce. So there will be 5 units in commerce. First unit is introduction to business. Then second unit is forms of business organization. Then third unit is formation of a company. Fourth unit is business finance. Fifth unit is emerging trends in business. Let us come to accountancy. In accountancy, the first unit is introduction to accountancy. Then next is subsidiary books. Then next cash books and BRS. BRS stands for bank reconciliation statement, trial balance and rectification of errors. Then final accounts. These final accounts will appear for 20 marks in your exam. This cash book and BRS will appear for 10 marks in exam. So if you follow my approach to prepare for this examination, you have to learn is subsidiary books for 5 marks. And in this first chapter there will be 2 things. One is the journal, another is the ledger. So you will be, if you will complete these 2 chapters, you will get 10 marks. Then only we have to answer any one of this, BRS or cash book. So better to answer cash book. It is very easy. So you will get 10 marks. That is for cash book. Then next final accounts, 20 marks. So you have got 40 marks for this, and 2 theory questions, 44 marks, and 3 very small problems. So definitely there is a wide scope to score 50 on 50 in your examination in your second part of the commerce, that is accountancy. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.